Today, we are going to learn a new portion from Chapter 6 Geography, Manufacturing Industries. Before that, if you are yet to subscribe my channel, do subscribe my channel. Tap bell icon for latest notification. Now let us move into the topic, jute industry. India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods and stands at second place as an exporter after Bangladesh. And most of the mills are located in West Bengal, mainly along the banks of river Hooghly in a narrow belt. Okay. Majority of the jute mills are located in West Bengal. So why is it so? Because of the proximity of jute producing areas. Okay, jute is widely grown in West Bengal, and because of that, majority of the mills are near the jute producing area. Then inexpensive water transport, okay, rivers is there, and also port facilities are there. Then railway networks are there, roadways are there, waterways are there to facilitate the movement of raw material to the mills. Easily you can carry the raw material, the jute to the mills. Then abundant water for processing raw jute. That is, you have to put the jute in water to process it. It will decay and you can separate fiber from the jute. So this is jute plant. You can see over here jute plant. So water is required for further processing. Then cheap labor is provided by Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. Now Kolkata as a large urban center provides banking, insurance and port facilities for the export of jute goods. So Kolkata is a very big city. Lot of banks are there. So these mills, if they want to expand business, they can take loans and all the insurance facilities are there for crop protection. Then port facilities are there. Kolkata port is there for exporting and importing. Then what are the challenges faced by the jute industry? It is also very important. Then stiff competition from international market, especially from Bangladesh. They are facing competition. And other competitors are Brazil, Philippines, Egypt and Thailand. Okay. So stiff competition from other countries. Then next second point, internal demand, even though the challenges are there, the stiff competition is there, but still the demand has increased because of government policy. So what is the government policy? Compulsory use of jute packaging, okay, in order to move into eco-friendly substances. Then in order to, there is if you want to get demand, if you want to increase demand, the products has to be diversified. Different types of products should be used. The main markets are USA, Canada, Ghana, Saudi Arabia, UK and Australia. So it is facing challenge, it is facing stiff competition. And if you want to stimulate demand, if you want to increase demand, the products have to be diversified. That means a variety of products have to be produced. The growing global concern for environmental friendly biodegradable materials has once again opened the opportunity for jute products. So because of shifting to eco-friendly products, jute industry is getting a lot of scope. Now next industry we are going to study is sugar industry. India stands second as a world producer of sugar, but first place in the production of good and khandasari. Good means jaggery and khandasari is a type of unrefined raw white sugar made from thickened sugar cane syrup. Okay, it is not a refined or it is not a pure one, unrefined. Okay, slight brown in color. The raw material used in this industry is bulky and in haulage its sucrose content reduces. So it is heavy. The raw material, sugarcane is very, very heavy and it is bulky. Lot of it is available in large quantities, or for producing sugar, you need sugarcane in large quantities and in haulage. Haulage means commercial transport. While you are transporting commercially to different places, its sucrose content reduces. Sucrose content means the sweet content. The sweet content becomes less if you are transporting it to greater distances. It will dry up. The mills are located in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. Almost all the states are there. And 60% mills are in UP and Bihar. The industry is seasonal in nature, so it is ideally suited to the cooperative sector. That is, for the entire year, you have to grow sugarcane, but you can harvest it in a particular season only. And it is ideally suitable for good for cooperative sector. Why? Because first point, it is seasonal in nature, and because of that, it is ideal for cooperative sector. All the month, every month or every now and then, you are getting the you are not getting the sugar only in a particular season. You are getting the sugar. You are able to you are able to harvest sugarcane, and you are able to you are able to get the sugar. So because of that, it is suitable for cooperative sector, because the farmers can harvest at one time. They can take it to the mills, they can further process it, and they can share the profit. So for cooperative sector, it is good that the sugar industry is in cooperative sector. For entire year, farmers are engaged in producing sugar cane as it is an annual crop. When the crop is reaped, the farmers pool together their resources, take all the sugar cane, then they will take it to the mill, which is near to their area. Okay, so if it is not in cooperative sector, then they have to take the sugar cane to the long distances. Then its sucrose content, the sweet content would be reduced, and they will not get sufficient profit. As it is in cooperative sector, they can set up mills near their field. They can send the sugar cane very easily. They can process it. They can take out the sugar and they can sell it. So because of that, it is good that it is in cooperative sector. Okay, for these reasons, it is good that it is in cooperative sector. Now, the seasonal nature of sugar industry is combated by setting up of cooperative farmers, where the farmers can share the profits and losses that I told you. The sugarcane industry is good in cooperative sector, so farmers can pool all the sugarcane, take it to the sugar factory, convert it into sugar. They can sell it and they can share the profit. It is concentrated in southern and western states, especially in Maharashtra. And why it is concentrated in southern or western states? Because the sugarcane produced here has high sucrose content, because it is a humid region and it has got a higher sucrose content, sweet content. And because of the cooler climate, good climate, it ensures a long crushing season because of the existence of. If it is very hot season, then they will have to crush it very fast, since they have, otherwise it will become dry and sucrose content will be reduced. Here they are having cooler climate, so they are getting a long period of time to crush it, to take out the sugar. The sucrose content is not reduced. And cooperatives are more concentrated, more successful in Maharashtra and all, and because of that, all the industries, the factories are concentrated in Maharashtra. Okay, so the cooperative sector is also very, very good in western states, especially in Maharashtra. So the in mills, the sugarcane industry is concentrated in western states, especially in Maharashtra, western and southern states. The challenges are the seasonal nature of the industry, because only one time you can do the harvesting. Then old and inefficient methods of production, very old methods and very inefficient methods they are using. The production is not going up, or the production is not increased. Then transport delay in India, even though the many of the sugar mills are near sugarcane field, but still there is a delay in taking the sugarcane to the factories, and in that process the sucrose content is reduced. Okay, and another challenge is that bagasse is not properly utilized. Okay, bagasse is not properly used. What do you mean by bagasse? The byproduct, the remaining product, the dry pulpy residue left after the extraction of juice from sugarcane. So these are the challenges. Seasonal nature, old and inefficient method of production, transport delay in reaching cane to the factories, and need to maximize the use of bagasse. Hopefully you understood the topic. Thank you so much.